Welcome to PSCMS. Good morning, students. In the last period, we have seen the Scratch Junior app for your paint practice. Now we will start the new chapter, that is Tux Paint. Now let's start your chapter. A Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing painting programs, Tux Paint has a lot of creative tools, funny animations, and magical effects, which make it one of the best drawing software. Let us see some of the unique features. Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot who helps you to know more about Tux Paint. A large variety of tools help the children to bring out their best creative designs. We can add personalized stamps on a drawing once we finish it. Funny sound effects are played when you select any tool. We can load and save images directly as thumbnails, and there is no need to specify the file name. So these are some of the features. Now let's see how to use this Tux Paint and how to work on it. Okay. Now let's see how to start Tux Paint. We have to click on the start button. Then all programs will appear. Click on that. Then open your Tux Paint software from the list. Here we have the Tux Paint, and in this list click on the Tux Paint window. Then Tux Paint window will appear. Once it will open, we will see the parts of your Tux Paint. On your left side you can see the tools of your Tux Paint, and on your right side you can see the options related to that particular tools. Now Paint tool is active, so related to that Paint tool the options will be displayed to on your right side. You can see Paint is selected, so all the different brushes available are shown to you. Now let's see next option in this. You can see the downside colors section is there, right? So here we have number of colors. You can select from these colors or you can make it your own by clicking on this circle. Here you can make your own color, select that color, and then that color will be added to your palette. Okay, now let's move to some of the tools and let's see how to draw this. So we are going to draw on this blank page, which is called as a drawing area. Okay, so the first option is Paint tools we are going to see, and when we click on that we can see different options available in that Paint tool. Okay, so for now I'll select this size of your brush, and then the color will be a little bit brown. Then I will draw it, and you know how to draw it, right? So just have to click and draw it. It's up to you what you want to draw. Okay, and if you want to change the color you can change it, and if you want to make it your own color, that is also possible. Just select the color which you want. Select the lighter shade of your, here I am drawing the water or the river, you can say. Okay, I'm going to join these dots here. Okay, so here I've drawn this much. Now what I want to do, I want to fill this color. Okay, so for that I will select the fill with bucket option is there, fill, and then select the color which you want to fill in that. So by default the color already I have selected. Just select and fill it. You can see that now the color is filled. If I want to fill the color in this mountain, so again what I have to do, I have to select the color of mountain, then I have to join the lines from the start to end, then only I can fill that color. Okay, so how to do that? Again select the fill color. Already by default your color is selected, just you have to click and that color will be filled. Okay, like this we can fill the color. And we have also seen how to draw with the help of a paint tool. Okay, here we have different options for your paint tool. You can see here star shape is there, square shape is there, a triangle shape is there, and the arrow shape is there. Okay, so it's up to you which shape you want to use in your paint tool. Okay, now the next is lines. Just now I have shown you the paint. The same line tool is there and same options are here for your line also. If you want to draw the line, you can use any option from these options. Okay, now the next is shapes. Shapes tools, you can see here a square is there, a rectangle, circle, ellipse. Number of options are available, but you can see the difference in this. A square option, there are two squares. One is the outline square and the second one is the filled square. Same, all the options are available for the different shapes here. Okay, suppose I want this circle, so click on that and drag it. Can you see that? See, I don't want that brown one, so what we can do, we can remove this or you can undo it. And you want to change the color. Now I want to draw the sun, so I'll select the yellow and then the circle is already selected, just I have to draw it. Okay, if you want to increase the size, you can undo it and do it one more time. This is sufficient. If I want to fill the color, I can select the fill option and then click. Like this I can fill or have another option. How to do that? Select the shapes option, then your circle is there, empty circle, only outline is there, right? So we can use the filled circle tool. Just you have to draw, finish. Means you no need to select the fill option and then click the color, then add the color. You directly can select the filled circle and then can be drawn. Okay, now the next option is haze brush. What you can do with that? See here in the line tool or in the pen tool, here this brush is called as a haze brush. Click on that and I will use the light or another color, you can select it here. Okay, like grass we can make it. Okay, this tool is called as a haze brush. Okay, you can see it is not a dark one, just like a blurred option. Okay, so this is the way you can draw. Now the next is magic tool. Okay, so in the magic tool we have number of options we can use for our drawing. Now it implies like magic, means you can add some ready-made objects in your drawing. In generally in your paint you draw there using some shapes, some kind of tools you can draw, you can edit. But here in this magic option, magic tool, we have number of options here which are ready to use. Okay, so in that first one we are going to see blur magic. How to do that? Just select and blur. you're not able to see it properly, but when you do by your own self, you will understand what exactly is happening here. Actually, this particular section is blurred to this one. So are you getting it? Blur means it will decrease the clarity of that particular image. Okay, now the next option is grass effect. Generally, if I want to use the effect of grass, I have used here one of the paintbrush tool, but it is not looking as nice because I can't draw it as like just a drawing artist, right? So if I want to give that artistic effect, I have the grass option here in this magic tool. Just what we have to do, you can see here arrow option already. Just click there and you will see the grass option here. Click on that and select the dark green, and then just you have to click. See, can you see it? So if I'm not able to draw it with the paint option, you have ready-made grass here. What you can do, you can just have to drag and the grass will be created here. Isn't it nice? Okay, so here we have created the grass effect. Now the next tool is flower tool. Now again, if I have to use the paint option and then I have to draw, of course it will not look as nice as our artist do, right? So here I have options for the flower tool. See here, can you see that flower option in the magic tools? See, just click on that and select the color of your flower and then click. Can you see that? Change the color if you want. If you want different colors, you just have to select the color and that change will come. Okay, these are the flowers we have seen. Now the next option is stamp tool. Till now we have seen some of the grass effect and some flowers. Now we can use some stamp. See, stamp means you can use the penguin here. Can you see these 6 penguins are there? A different shape, a different pose is there of that particular penguin. You can add this directly in your drawing. You just have to select that particular penguin and click where you want to add. Okay, suppose you want to increase the size of your penguin. Here we have the size bar. You just have to increase the bars, just have to click and then you can click, change the shape and click, increase the size and you will see the difference. Can you see that? So we can, with the help of this size bar, we can increase the size of these penguins. Okay, these penguins are called as a stamp. Okay, so these are called as a stamp tool. Now the next option is pattern brush shape. Okay, so how to do that? We already seen how to use your paint tool, right? We have different brushes there. See, in the paint option we have number of options. We already seen this, right? Different shapes I already told you, right? So here with the different paint option and the shapes are already available. Okay, so suppose I want to add some more effect. So here we have the effect. Click on that and see it if you can understand. If you want to change the color, Okay, like this you can give the effect to your drawing. Now the next is how to save your file. Now this is your drawing. Now if you want to save that file, how to do that? In your tools app, in this tools, you can see that save option is there. Click on that. Once you will click on that save option, your drawing will be saved. Okay, after saving, if you want to draw a new drawing, then click on the new. A blank page option will appear here. What you have to do, you have to select the background color for your drawing. Just I'll select the white one and then I'll click on the open. Here we can get the new blank page for our drawing. Okay, now suppose I want to edit the previous paint file, whatever we have drawn, right? So what I can do, I can click on the open and select the file which I want to open, then click on the open. See, the same file just now we have created, we can see it. Have you got it? How to save a file, how to open a previous file? Okay, so this is your Tux Paint. I hope you have understood. If not, so please see that you can ask the questions in the group so I can help it. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.